vloggers. It's the first day of the layout of what's gonna happen over here on this property. So two boys are working right now, and I was about to help them to lay out everything here before they have to dig up for the foundation, fence foundation. And this one right here is our property line, one of the corners on the lot, and there's another one right there where that batter boards are. We're trying to make a batter boards right here, and we'll have to remove that benchmark. But for removing that, we'll have to transfer that point going to this batter boards over here, and we'll go around and we'll mark it so we know where is it. Pretty much a beautiful day today to work. Sun is out, but we got some shade over here, and I'm already sweating. That's the national highway. Right there is my neighbor's house. Yeah. There's some root crops over here that I love. That one with the big leaf. We call it locally Guiuan, and some coconut trees. We already got coconut juice right here in the morning. It was so good, but definitely I'm sad that we're gonna cut down all these trees right here just to give way of the development that we're gonna have in the future for this property. Yeah.
Dalakit, napunod ka kunod dalakit.
Ano ang klase ng lagi? Manay! Oh, pagkataksinso! Oh! Oh! Sige, sige, sige.
Pag-iha!
Oh, pagkuha ko na.
Ay, nanay! Napilad ng pag-istay sa no?
Ay, naman.
Mano ito man la?
Oh, sige.
Okay.
We are trying to survey the elevation from the road right here in the middle. Right here in the middle of this road, we're gonna be transferring that elevation going to the farthest side of our property so that we will determine how much backfill are we gonna make. How many cubic feet are we gonna do the backfill? Yep. So that's how it started over here. This future, establishment right here that we're gonna make. I don't know what it's gonna be, but yeah, these people right here are hard workers, local people, same as me. And yeah, we already put batter boards on two of the benchmark right here. One on that corner, one in the middle, and the other one is towards that fence right there on the neighbor. So whatever corner is that, it's also our corner. And on the front right here, it's the same thing. Yeah. This is the start of tomorrow, and hopefully this is gonna be a good start for us for the future. Yeah. National highway over here. about that.